Text Expander from Smile is supporting this edition of MacVoices. Text Expander can help you be more productive in every single application on your Mac. Find out how at textexpander.com. MacVoices is in Las Vegas for CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, every year we try to stop by the STM booth to see what's new because they make such high quality bags. The bag that I carry for every single show is an STM, and I love it. In fact, they pick on me because it's rather old, Tracy, but still it does what I needed to do.
STM, that's what STM does. Oftentimes we look at our products and say, how are people using products like ours, and how do we make it better, how do we make it smarter? That's what we do.
Well, that one has lasted me for a long time, and I hope it continues to do.
That's good to hear, that's good to hear. That's what we try to do.
So what do we have new this year?
This year we have our Myth collection as part of what we have new. A number of different things happening, but our Myth collection comes in a number of different bags within the collection. This is our 18-liter backpack, one of the favorites. It's got this wonderful, clean, compact design. The styling is amazing. It's one of these remarkable bags that as you're walking through the airport or at school or at work, people notice your Myth bag. Beyond the look, though, it's got some amazing features. Smarter bag is really what it's all about. Starting from the outside where you have a durable fabric that is water repellent. We take that water repellent to another level by sealing the zipper where your tech goes with polyurethane with a reverse coil. So it tightens up, makes it really hard for water to get in where all your important stuff is. One of the cool things about our 18-liter bag is this clamshell opening. Pops open where you can see everything you have inside, and this light-colored fabric is not by accident, and it's not necessarily a design component. It is so you can see into your bag when the lights don't allow you to do it. And you know, digging through your bag, when it's dark inside, everything disappears in there.
Why is that such a hard concept for so many bag manufacturers to understand?
Isn't that something? And yet, we know bags, we've been doing it for 20 years, so we look at things differently than others do. Some of the more interesting things that we have in here is that we go as specific as having a specific pocket for your AirPods. You got your little charging case. It's so easy to lose that. We said, why don't we get a pocket that fits that? We have a wonderful new harness on our backpacks that has a detached shoulder that takes away some of that weight and that pinch point off of your shoulders. Not only does it have the air cooling channel, our sternum strap, which makes things really nice, it has our air cooling channel up the back, which allows the hot air to channel up and down your back so you're not hot and sweaty moving through the airport or everywhere else you're going. But on top of that, the lumbar padding actually is a luggage pass-through as well. So that slides down onto your carry-on travel, and instead of the sloppy, squampy thing that you usually have with if you even have a pass-through on your backpack, this one holds really secure. We call it our passport. Number of different things. We of course have, like we do in most of our bags, our cable ready, which allows you to port your cables through your bag and charge device to device without cables sticking out all over the place. And one of my favorite new touches is this right here. This is our little earbuds keeper or cable keeper. How many times do you reach down in there to find a bird's nest of cables? Ugly. Now we have a nice little thing, you just clip it right there, and then every time, get on the airplane, sit down at your desk, get in your car, they're right there waiting for you, nice and clean the way you left them.
You know, there are probably 100 bag manufacturers here, and that's why I keep coming back to STM. It's all these little touches that make the difference. Because, anybody can get a bag and throw your backpack or your computer or whatever in, but it's those little touches that really mean a lot.
Yeah, it really comes down to the little things, and when you spend a lot of time with a backpack, you realize just how much those little things mean. Comfort, convenience, it's all about that.
Exactly. Great pack.
So that's the Myth pack.
And that obviously comes in multiple colors.
It comes in this Windsor wine, which is really remarkable. It also comes in a slate blue, which kind of looks like a denim, and also comes in a granite black, which is a blend of a gray textured fabric with some black leather-like material. Really fashion forward, looks really sharp.
Great, okay. So that's the first new thing, but that's not all.
That's not all the new that we have. Well, next we can show you our new Dux cases.
Let's go.
So also new this year, we have the new Dux case. This is one of the leading cases in the market for protecting iPads, deployed across schools throughout the world, over 2 million sold into the education system. This is one of the most reliable iPad cases you have on the market. Due to a lot of its standard features, which includes magnetic closure, which not only closes and turns your iPad on and off, but it also creates the spot where your iPad goes into typing mode or viewing mode. Very convenient. But the thing that took this already exceptional case to the next level is that we followed Apple's technology and allowed the pencil to stay magnetically charging with your device and held within the same mil-spec protection that our DuXes offer everybody. Now it's all in one convenient package.
Wow. That's, again, a subtle touch, but really nice, because even though that pencil sticks pretty darn well, if you drop it or anything happens, it's gone or it's busted. And so now you're protecting it right there.
Yeah, really great feature. A lot of people are going to really love this. This one comes in March. Our other DuX cases are available now at stmgoods.com.
Perfect. What kind of pricing on this?
DuX cases range from around $59.
Well worth the insurance to protect your devices.
Very much worth it.
So I think we have one more thing?
We do. Let's look at another thing.
Let's go. So we have one last thing to show, and this time we're going to the iPhone.
This time we're going to our Element case for the iPhone. Element Case has been for 10 years producing cases that are off the beaten path, that are for people who want to make a statement, who want to have identity about their iPhone. Nothing does it like the Black Ops. This is our flagship, and it is a killer case. Inspired by military Black Ops, the special forces sort of thing. It's subtle, but it is bold and it is dominant. A couple of things that most people know about the Black Ops is it comes with CNC machined aluminum rails. That's what's on the outside, and there's nothing quite like feeling aluminum in your hand when you're carrying it around. So much confidence. On the back is G10, CNC machine G10, same sort of thing that comes from knife handles and other things. Very popular in the tactical market. Comes with a deep pocket clip. So it slips nice into your pocket and keeps it right where you want it anytime you need it. We have our free-floating fast tap buttons that are CNC machined out of aluminum as well. The thing that is bringing this thing to a whole new level this year, the Black Ops Elite, is that it has a mechanical kickstand that releases with the click of a button. Suddenly you're in different kind of viewing modes, nice and convenient when you're done, snaps right back into place, and you're ready to rock again.
That's very, this isn't, well, yeah, okay, it is aluminum.
It is.
I was going to say, it didn't look like that. You're right, it is very solid. It feels very good. I like the way you've textured the hand grips so that my fingers just fit in there and put a little extra grip.
Nice finger grooves, and it's an anodized black aluminum to keep it that black, subtle coloring.
Very nice, very nice.
If you really want the baddest case on the market, the Black Ops is by far the one to get.
I can agree with that. I wish you could feel this. So what kind of pricing is there on that, and is it available now?
It's available now. The Black Ops retails for $199 on elementcase.com and a number of other retailers.
And to your point, Element Case has been, it's not a casual case. So, at least not this one.
It's, as people who use Element Case often describe it, it's not the Me Too case. So there's a lot of cases where it's just a quick slip-on throwaway case. Element Case looks at how are you expressing yourself through your phone, and this gives you an opportunity to do that.
And if there's anything that there's more of than bag manufacturers here at CES, it's phone case manufacturers. So to distinguish yourself is unique.
Yeah, and you can ask anybody that's owned an Element Case, they understand why it is what it is and why they keep coming back for more Element Case over and over again.
Terry, great products. Thank you so much for the time.
Thanks for having us. Appreciate it. Have a good show.
Back here next year?
Back here next year.
You going to pick on me?
We'll go easy on you next year.
Okay, so next year.
Maybe.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Folks, more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for show notes and to connect with Chuck on social media. Get involved in our MacVoices Facebook group and get more out of your Apple tech with MacVoices magazine, free on Flipboard. And if you find value in it all, consider supporting us at patreon.com/MacVoices and join these folks who help keep MacVoices coming to you. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.